Okay, so hopefully I've got the right exercise. Sorry again for missing last week. Exercise 911. It states that there are selected 2017 transactions for Wiley Corporation. One for January 1st, which was a copyright of $120,000. The copyright has a useful life of 6 years. I did that wrong. Um, of 6 years and a remaining legal life of 30. So good thing I read that. I'll change that to 6, which should change that. And then the next one was March 1st purchased a patent with an estimated useful life of 4 years and a legal life of 20 years for $54,000. So again, the useful life of 4. So I'll also change that to 4, which changes that figure as well. And then goodwill. Goodwill is indefinite, and it's only when buying a business, but it does say purchase a small company and recorded goodwill of 150,000. Its useful life is indefinite. But in reading the text, you do not need to amortize goodwill, so you leave it as is. So I've made my columns. Here's the date, the transaction type, the amount, the useful life, the amortization value, and as of December 31st. So I'll explain how I've done this. Click on here and you can see my formulas. Because this was January 1st, I just did it for the whole life because it was at the beginning of the year. So you just need to divide the total amount by the useful life of 6 years and you get $20,000. For the end of the year, you subtract the 20,000 by the 120 and you have, that's what it would be for the end of the year of December 31st. The next one is a little bit different because it was March 1st. So I've got my formula up here, which I've got the amount divided by the useful life, and then you times that by 9 months over 12, because if with March 1st you'd still have 9 months left. So I've done 9 over 12, and I've gotten 10,125. But again, subtract the 10,125 by the 54, and I get the 43,875 for as of December 31st. I did make a note for everybody at the bottom here. I'll change this as well. I'm glad I'm reviewing this as I talk to you because it's not an inn that we stay in. Also remember that patents, goodwill, franchise, R&D, and copyright are in the debit column. So when we're looking at debiting them against amortization expenses, the amortizing goes in the debit, and then the cash go in the credit. So that's how that would figure out, or how that would play out. I hope that makes sense to everybody. Let me know if you have any questions.